Gladiator Gang? What up, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we got the Beast getting the vinyl wrap on the hood scoop. Take two, because last week we didn't have the proper fitment. So we are back at my buddy, Justin Ruger, and the owner of Apex Auto Styling. Check him out on Instagram, please. Does a wonderful job. So, we're just gonna give him a few minutes. He's gonna get the hood prepped for the vinyl wrap, and then we'll come back and start kind of checking that out. So I'm pretty excited. I think you may have gotten a sneak peek of what it looks like on my Instagram, but I don't know. But anyway, so we'll be back in a few minutes. Justin's gonna prep the hood. We'll get that ready. But first, check out my new shirt from Mike at City Stickers. You can find him on Facebook as well. Got the Mojave Madness, and check out the logo on the back. Pretty awesome. So, I dig it. I love it. All right, so we'll be back in just a couple minutes when Justin gets the hood prepped, and we'll get this vinyl put on. Shouldn't take that long. All right, guys. See you in a minute. All right, guys. Real quick. So Justin is has already prepped the hood, taking everything off the top here. He's now getting ready to put the vinyl on. So we're just gonna let him do his thing. So we'll be back in just a second. He's gonna start. Cool. All right, guys, well, look, the vinyl is done, and once again, Justin has hit this out of the ballpark. I love this. Check it out. Here it is. Here is the wrap. It is a nod, of course, as you Jeepsters will know. It's a little nod to the Trackhawk and the Trailhawk Cherokees, but I did my own take on it, and I think it looks amazing. Notice one thing that I did tweak. I added the pickaxe and shovel. I pulled that from my Jeep floor mats, the topographical pattern that's on my floor mats in the yard. I love it, guys. I'm super happy with it. My buddy Mike at City Stickers, remember, I'll put him down below in the description. That's an S for City. Couldn't have got this color match better with the Mojave. I mean, it's almost identical. You can't even really tell the difference. I'm super happy. I want to give a huge thank you to Justin Ruger, my buddy, my pal, and again, owner of Apex Auto Styling. I'll put him down below in the description. If you have decals or want decals, don't forget Mike at City Stickers, S-I-T-Y, on Facebook and Instagram. You look those up. If you just have your own decals and you need somebody to install them, and you're in Alabama, of course, hit my buddy Justin up, okay? Fantastic job, fantastic job. Couldn't be happier. All right, guys, well, look, that's it. That is the new hood scoop wrap. I love it. So we're going to say goodbye for now. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Again, thank you guys for all the new subscribers. We're almost at 200, and I'm so grateful, and I love that. That's awesome. So hit like, subscribe down below. You can follow me on Instagram, Mojave_Madness21. You can follow me there. And, well, we're going to wrap it up for the day, guys. So have a great day, and until the next video, peace out. What up, my Jeep peeps? What up, my Gladiator Gang? What up, my friends? We are back today. It is vinyl wrap day on the hood scoop. This is take two, actually. Last week we did it, and it just didn't have the right fitment. So we're going to redo it. We're here with my buddy Justin Ruger, who is the owner of Apex Auto Styling. So he's going to be working on that today. So, I think I may have posted a picture of what the vinyl looks like, but you'll see it here shortly, what we're going to be putting on the hood scoop here. Really cool, really excited. Just a real quick look at the new shirt I got, for my buddy Mike at City Stickers. Check it out. Check him out on Facebook. And look at this. Got the logo on the back. That's me, you know. You recognize me? Okay. Anyways, all right. So we're going to let Justin get the hood prepared, and then we'll start checking it out. Okay. Stop. What up, my Jeep peeps? What up, my Gladiator Gang? What up, my friends? Today is vinyl wrap day. Well, just a little bit. On the hood scoop of the Beast. Take two. We tried to do this last week, but we did not have the perfect fitment for me. So we're going to go ahead and redo it. And my buddy Justin Ruger, the owner of Auto Detail Styling. Did I fuck that up?
Yes. Apex.
What up, my Jeep peeps? What up, my Gladiator Gang? What up, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. Today it is vinyl wrap day on the Beast. take two. We tried to do this last week and we just didn't have the right fitment. So today we are here with my buddy and owner Justin Ruger, owner of Apex Auto Detailing. God damn it.